Hey, what's going on, guys? Your boy Jose Cabrera coming into you with another quick tutorial video, guys. First of all, thank you for coming on this video. If this is one of my first videos you've ever watched, guys, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and give me a like below on this video, okay? Now, on this video, guys, what I'm going to speak on is going to be how and where to find your ID number, affiliate links, number of referral, guys, and certain questions just like that a lot of people ask. Okay, so if you have any other questions, make sure you just drop them below in the comment section and let me know, and I'll go ahead and get those answered for you. Okay, but without further ado, let me go ahead and stop my video here so you can concentrate on the screen. So I'm basically on the FORSAGE Tron login page. Okay, so I'm in the page for anybody that's going to log in to their account. And I'm not going to log into my account, but I'm going to log into just a test account, guys. Okay, I'm going to go to viewing just to, for this purpose of this video. Okay, I'm going to go into a certain account just to show you guys, like I said, for those that are new, maybe you don't know where all these things are, you might need some help. This is what I'm making this video for. And this video is more specifically just for paid members, for members that have already paid a membership and are in the FORSAGE Tron smart contract, okay? So we are in account number 2603. Okay, as you can see, guys, they made $100 just with one person. So first off, guys, when you log in to your back office at the top, guys, you're gonna see you definitely chat. This will take you directly to the Telegram app. If you don't have it on your computer, it's going to tell you to download it. But if you have it already, it's simply going to take you to the room. If you do it on your phone, guys, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to tell you to download the Telegram app, and then you'll be able to go into the Telegram, to the Telegram group. Okay, you definitely want to be in there because we throw a lot of updates and they give you instructions on how to get started. Okay, and then the little bell at the top also, it's for notifications. You can disable them or you can enable them, whatever you want to do. And then up here is just news about what's going on in the community, okay? Then here at the top, you'll see all the participants joined in 24 hours, participants that have earned USD, and participants that have earned Tron, okay? So that's that, the information at the top. Now your ID number, guys, is up here. If you can see my scroller, it's right here where it says ID. I'm actually highlighting it blue right now. It's, for example, this one is 2603. So if anybody asks you, hey, what's your ID number? Your sponsor maybe says, hey, can I have your ID number? Simply log into your back office and you'll see it here on the corner right by the Tron sign. Okay, and the number of referrals, guys. The second thing is the number of referrals is going to be right underneath your ID number, and that's right here, right by where all these little small people are. So, like I said, this person only has one referral, as you can see. And then the earnings, obviously in USD, $100 with 34 cents, and then the Tron amount, which is 3,150. Okay. Now, right here, guys, is another very good thing that they give you. They actually separate the earnings. So they give you the earnings for X3, which is $11.15 for this ID number, and an X4, which is 89 with 19 cents for this ID number 2603. Okay. And then, guys, obviously, here's the X3 program. And then you scroll down and you'll see the X4 program. As you can see, this person in X3, they have one slot with only one personal referral, okay? And then on X4, you can see that they have slots number 1 through 4 with a few people that have came in directly. And then, as you can see, they have a few people that had came from the bottom, okay? Spillage from the bottom. And pretty much this person got that because they're at, a pretty good slot, number 4 on X4. Okay. And now another important thing, guys, okay, that a lot of people get confused and can't find is the affiliate link. Okay, the affiliate link is going to be right here as well, right underneath your earnings. Okay, so I told you the earnings for X3 and X4. and right underneath it, guys, you'll see the affiliate link. Okay, it's normally right underneath, right below the number of affiliates that you have. As you can see right here, this person only has one. If you can see it right here on the left hand side. And to copy it, guys, you just click copy, and it's, as you see, it's going to say text copy successful, and that's your affiliate link that you can share. And what that affiliate link is going to look like, guys, it's going to look a little bit like this website that pretty much takes them to all the information that they're going to need. A little video that they can see, guys, having to do with FORSAGE, and they've actually updated the website, so it looks pretty nice now. They have a leaderboard, and as you can see, this is the website that your affiliate link is going to take them to. So pretty much you don't need anything but your affiliate link, guys, to let people know about FORSAGE. Okay, this video kind of explains to them what it is, why FORSAGE came out, and obviously all the other things. As you can see, it explains, the peer-to-peer payments. It's decentralized. It explains all that, guys. It shows them proof, and it explains a little bit of the programs and how they work. Okay, so again, this is going to be the affiliate link that I just showed you right here. That's what it's going to take them to. And on the phone, guys, it might look a little different. It might be up here at the top, a affiliate link. So on mobile, you might see it up here at the top, pretty much closely to all this, to the participants that have earned USD and all that. That's where you'll see it on the mobile. Okay, but on PC, it's down here a little bit, right beside the X4 program. Okay, you'll see it right here. Wallet, which you'll only need for purposes if they ask for it, and then the smart contract address as well. And then here, guys, at the bottom of X4, they give you an actual, a legend where you can see, for all the colors for the circles. Okay, so as you can see, the dark blue circle is an overflow from the bottom. As you can see, this person got overflow from the bottom, and then personals, people invited by them. And then the light blue is overflow from the up, okay? And the purple is a person who is ahead of their inviter, okay? So all those things, guys, are pretty much self-explanatory. And then here, these three little people are partners in the slot, and that means how many people you have in that slot. So as you can see, this person only has one person in slot number 1 on X3. Okay, then the little arrows going around is the number of reinvestments, because as you know, guys, and you should know already, if you're a part of FORSAGE, you should know that the third payment always goes to the sponsor. Okay, because it's the reinvestment. Okay, so the first 2 on X3 go directly to you, and the third one is the reinvestment, okay, which goes to your sponsor, which pretty much keeps the slot open for you to keep earning and earning and earning, okay? And then TRX is the cost of slots in Tron, which is obviously the big numbers, the white number 700, 1400, 2800, etc., right? And you can convert them to USD on Google or whatever other converter you have, okay? But that's pretty much it, guys, okay? Like I said, I was just gonna go over a few starter tips and things that everybody should know when they come in and join FORSAGE, because I've noticed that a lot of people have had issues with that, okay, guys? So with that being said, guys, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. If you found this video helpful, guys, make sure you go ahead and leave me a comment below, and give me a like on the video. And like I said, if you have not subscribed to any of my videos, or you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you give me hit the subscribe button below, and make sure you go ahead and give me a like, okay? But with that, I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, okay, guys? I'll catch you in my next one.